Do you find it hard to understand English movies without subtitles? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of learners face the same problem every day. It's not about intelligence, it's about practice. In this video, you'll learn simple ways to enjoy movies and actually understand them without reading subtitles. Let's start with the first step. Choose the right movie. Don't start with complicated films, pick something simple, like a comedy or cartoon. Choose movies you already know. It's easier to follow the story when you know what's happening. Step 2, focus on listening, not reading. Try watching 5 minutes of a movie without subtitles. Don't panic if you miss words, focus on the tone, emotion, and expressions. Step 3, watch with English subtitles, not your native language. This helps your brain connect spoken words with written ones. Step 4, rewatch short clips instead of full movies. Choose your favorite scene and watch it 3 times. You'll notice new words each time. Step 5, use pause and repeat. When you don't understand something, pause, replay, and say the sentence aloud. This trains your ear and pronunciation at the same time. Step 6, listen actively, not passively. Try to predict what the actor will say next. This keeps your mind alert. Step 7, don't translate in your head. Translation slows you down. Focus on understanding meaning, not words. Step 8, use English audio with English subtitles for learning. Step 9, copy native speaker rhythm and tone. Say lines out loud with the actor. It feels funny, but really works. Step 10, focus on common everyday phrases. Don't try to understand every word, understand the feeling. Step 11, watch with purpose, not just for fun. Write down one new word or phrase after every scene. Step 12, watch interviews of actors, not just the movie. You'll hear real-life pronunciation and natural speaking speed. Step 13, use movies you love. When you enjoy what you watch, learning becomes easier. Step 14, repeat movie lines in your daily life. You'll start to speak naturally like native speakers. Step 15, don't worry about accent. Focus on clarity, not perfection. Step 16, consistency is key. Even 10 minutes of focused practice each day can change everything. Step 17, celebrate progress, not perfection. Remember, every word you understand today was once a mystery. Step 18, learn from your favorite characters. Try to understand how they express emotions through words. Step 19, relax and enjoy the story. The more you relax, the more your brain learns naturally. Step 20, make English a part of your life, not just study time. Remember, understanding movies is not a test, it's a journey. Enjoy every word, every scene, and every step.